We're gonna be installing the FIA Custom Winter Grill cover for the 2010 Duramax, and I'm gonna need it because I live in Idaho and it gets pretty chilly. In fact, today's pretty chilly within itself, so let's get this thing on. First thing we gotta do is clean off the area. You could use rubbing alcohol, but today I'm using Chemical Guy's waterless car wash, so I'm gonna be cleaning off the area, then we can move on to our next step. You can't see me, nuh-uh. Here I am. Okay, so once we get the grill cover out, we gotta take our stick-on rivets because there's two methods to install this thing. There's drilling into your truck. Why would you do that? If you do that, shame on you. And the second method is the stick-on rivets that they provide by 3M. That's actually really cool. This is probably one of the coolest grill covers I could find on the internet. But anyways, we're gonna stick these rivets onto the grill cover and then we're gonna go from there. Now that I got the 3M rivets on here, I'm gonna dry fit it just to see where everything lies, because after that, we're gonna take off the plastic for the adhesive on the first top two and the bottom two, and then kind of just stick it on, and then we're gonna go in whatever direction you want. You could go clockwise, you could just pop it on there. But let's dry fit it, see where things lie. Okay, I'm pretty confident with this. We gotta take the adhesive off, try not to touch it. No, don't do that either. And just apply some pretty good force. I'm installing this at about 45 degrees, so I'd recommend if you have a shop that's heated, definitely do it in there. If you have a heat gun, maybe heat up the area. I didn't want to go through the struggle of doing that, so we're just doing this. Just in 5 minutes, we have a grill cover for our Duramax. And if you want to check it out, it'll be in the description down below. And stay tuned because I'm going to be going over my personal experience with how this thing helps me in the winter, as well as proper procedures, because this is a tuned truck. So you got to be pretty careful with these grill covers on the truck. Anyways, derp to the max.